The photography and videography world is eagerly awaiting the release of Sony's upcoming A7V camera, which promises to set new industry standards with its groundbreaking features. This highly anticipated device is poised to be a game-changer for both photographers and videographers alike. At the core of the A7V is a powerful 44-megapixel full-frame Exmor CMOS BSI sensor. This cutting-edge sensor ensures exceptional image quality, delivering stunning sharpness, remarkable detail, and vibrant colors that will bring your captured moments to life. Complementing this impressive sensor is Sony's innovative AI-based real-time tracking AF system, which provides precise and reliable autofocus performance, even in the most challenging shooting situations. One of the standout features of the A7V is its ability to capture fast-moving subjects with incredible speed and accuracy. Thanks to its blistering continuous shooting rate of up to 26 frames per second, assisted by autofocus and auto-exposure, photographers can freeze dynamic moments with ease, ensuring they never miss a beat. This seamless performance is powered by the combination of the Bion's XR processor and an AI processing unit, which efficiently handle image data processing, delivering swift operation and smooth performance. For videographers, the A7V is a true game-changer, offering professional-grade video capabilities that will elevate their craft to new heights. With support for 4K 16-bit RAW output, as well as features like S-Log3 and S-Cinetone, the A7V provides unparalleled flexibility in post-production, allowing for precise color grading and creative expression. Additionally, its video recording capabilities are exceptional, supporting 8K video at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 FPS, and Full HD at a staggering 240 FPS in 12-bit, ensuring stunning video quality and seamless motion capture. But the A7V's prowess extends beyond just capturing breathtaking visuals. It also prioritizes stability and precision. Advanced features like 8-stop 5-axis image stabilization and focus breathing compensation minimize camera shake and maintain consistent framing, ensuring every shot is flawless, regardless of the shooting conditions. Furthermore, the A7V incorporates intelligent features designed to streamline the creative process. The AI auto-framing function automatically adjusts framing to keep subjects centered and well-composed, while users can personalize color grading with their own custom lookup tables LUTs, providing unprecedented control over their artistic vision. For storage, the A7V offers dual CF Express Type A and SD card slots, providing practicality and versatility to cater to the needs of both photographers and videographers. With an expected price range of $3,000 to $3,500, the A7V offers exceptional value for its unmatched features, making it an attractive investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. While the official release date remains unconfirmed, industry insiders speculate that the A7V will debut around October 21, 2024. As excitement builds, photography and videography enthusiasts eagerly await further updates and official announcements from Sony. Stay tuned for the latest developments as we continue to monitor and provide updates on this highly anticipated camera, which promises to revolutionize the way we capture and create. Let's talk about Sony A6900.
The specifications for the Sony A6900 have been revealed online. These specifications come from a reliable source known as E8M8888, whose rumors have often proven to be accurate. Now, let's explore the details of this camera's specifications. In the dynamic world of photography, where innovation is the key to unlocking new creative possibilities, Sony continues to push boundaries with its latest offering, the Sony A6900. This highly anticipated camera boasts a plethora of groundbreaking features that are set to revolutionize the way photographers and videographers capture their subjects. At the heart of the Sony A6900 lies a powerful 40.2 megapixel effective, APS-C Exmor sensor, capable of delivering stunning image quality with exceptional clarity and detail. With an impressive ISO range of 80-32,000, this sensor ensures optimal performance in various lighting conditions, from bright daylight to dimly lit environments. One of the standout features of the Sony A6900 is its advanced 5-axis image stabilization system, providing approximately 8.0 stops of stabilization. This allows photographers to capture sharp, blur-free images even when shooting handheld or in challenging situations, resulting in professional quality results every time. Powered by the cutting-edge Bion's XR processor and AI intelligent chip, the Sony A6900 delivers unparalleled performance and speed. With 759 phase detection autofocus points and adjustable focus point size, photographers can effortlessly track and capture fast-moving subjects with precision and accuracy. But what truly sets the Sony A6900 apart is its innovative subject recognition technology. Equipped with advanced AI algorithms, this camera can identify and track a wide range of subjects, including people, birds, animals, cars/trains, planes, and even insects. This high-precision, real-time tracking ensures that your subjects are always in focus, allowing you to concentrate on capturing the perfect shot. In addition to its impressive still photography capabilities, the Sony A6900 excels in the realm of videography. With full pixel sampled 8K/30p recording capability, as well as 4K/60p and 4K/120p options with 1.1x and 2.1x crop modes, this camera offers unparalleled versatility for filmmakers. Furthermore, the inclusion of features such as S-Cinetone, S-Log, and Loot Import and monitoring, as well as approximately 15 stops of dynamic range, ensures that filmmakers have the tools they need to unleash their creative vision and achieve cinematic results. To complement its advanced video capabilities, the Sony A6900 also features innovative video-centric functions, including video breathing compensation, video auto-composition, and enhanced video dynamic stabilization mode. These features make it easier than ever for filmmakers to capture smooth, professional-quality footage, even in challenging shooting conditions. With its ergonomic grip design, dual SD/CF Express Type A compatible memory card slots, an off-axis 0.39-inch OLED electronic viewfinder, the Sony A6900 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Videographers can focus on their craft without any distractions. In conclusion, the Sony A6900 is a game-changer in the world of photography and videography. With its groundbreaking features, unparalleled performance, and user-friendly design, this camera empowers creatives to push the boundaries of their art and capture truly unforgettable moments. Whether you're a professional photographer, a filmmaker, or an enthusiast, the Sony A6900 is sure to elevate your craft to new heights. Stay tuned for more content like this.